Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone or iPad is on the same Wi-Fi and signed into iCloud. This ensures the Home app can communicate with the HomePod. Once done, open the Home app and find the HomePod Mini in Rooms or Favorites so you can access its controls. Next, tap and hold the HomePod card to open the details screen. This brings up the controls and metadata needed to rename the device. You now scroll inside the HomePod settings until you see the name field. This is where the device identity lives. Tap Name to open the edit field, then clear or modify the text. Pick a concise, distinct name so Siri recognizes commands reliably. After typing the new name, make sure to tap Done or Save. This commits the change to HomeKit and starts synchronizing across devices. Once saved, the Home app and other linked devices. You finish by waiting a few seconds for the new name to sync across iCloud and HomeKit-enabled devices, so Siri and other apps reflect the update. If the name doesn't appear immediately, force close and reopen the Home app or restart the HomePod Mini to refresh its registration. If problems persist, try signing out and back into iCloud on your controller device or reset the HomePod's network by unplugging and replugging. These steps resolve most persistent sync issues and restore proper device naming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.